La parole est à Madame Evans pour 1 minute.
Thank you, President. We have said from the very start that people must be at the heart of this process. I must protect the best interests of all my constituents in Wales, including those who have chosen to make Wales their home and have contributed so much to our country. I also have to protect the interests of those who have chosen to make their home in other EU countries, and it's unacceptable that people are still uncertain and anxious about their futures. The negotiations need to move forward, but not at the expense of citizens' rights. So agreeing progress cannot mean that all issues are resolved or closed. They are clearly not, and they need to remain a priority. This is not the final vote on this. There is a lot still to be done. Looking to the future for Wales and building our economy, maintaining access to the single market is critical to protect jobs and our agricultural industry, and that is what I will continue to do. Diolch. Thank you.
Merci. La parole est à Monsieur Paxas pour 1 minute 30.